Hey there, Sanka, everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, we're going to talk about productivity again. Last time I talked about some concepts of productivity and things that you can start looking into. Today, we're actually going to talk about apps that you can download and potentially also have it on your laptop. And that way, you're cross-connected and you are productive and you are growing towards a greater version of yourself, which is going to help you make that much more money and help, this ummah and your family and whoever you want to help. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. So what I'll do is there's going to be a pop up on this side. You guys will see the app in its like physical form. You can download it also using App Store or Apple Store, whatever it's called. I don't have an iPhone anymore. I'm not an iPhone guy now. Yeah. So app number one is To-Do List. This is a very basic app and it's made from Microsoft. It's called Microsoft To-Do, and it's something that you can put down your tasks or ideas, anything that you have, you just put down as a note. I've been using it since I think I was in like first year university or even grade 12, and I've just have different sections, things in regards to my personal finance, things in regards to business ideas, things in regards to books I want to read. There's like 80 books on there that I still need to read. It's a huge bucket list. And so you can make buckets, and then within that you can put lists of things that you need to get on top of, and then there's tasks that you can give yourself. Within each task you can give description, you can give checklists, you can do all these different things. And what this does is honestly a few things. One, it makes you more productive because whenever you have a task or something, you just put it in there for later time. You just keep putting it in there and you keep doing them and you keep checking them up. Second thing is, a lot of us have a lot of thoughts in our head. And when you have a lot of thoughts in your head, and they're constantly there and they're not in a place because you're fearful that you're going to forget it, then the whole thing is you got to put them on this thing, because then once you put it there on this to-do app, then you can get those thoughts out of your brain onto a sheet, and then they'll be stored and safe forever, right? And that way it's safe there. I have so many business ideas that I've been thinking about and making business plans for that are there. So that way, I can go back to them whenever I want to. And the most beautiful thing, which I really like, is that I have it on almost all of my electronics, my phones, my laptops, my desktop, everything is somehow connected, because it's all linked to an email, right? So you just link it to your account, and then whichever device you're on, like wherever you are, it could be on your phone, you could be on your laptop. They're all cross connected, and if you make an update on one, obviously it just gets updated on everything because it's a cloud-based storage system. So that's app number one. App number two is EverNote. EverNote is an amazing application which you can use to take notes, and it's just not just like a basic notes taker. You can do a little bit more advanced things on it, and it's helped a lot of people with doing their work and doing their personal stuff. And especially if you're your own business owner, then you need a place where you can put down notes. I used to be a guy that used to take notes on a book, and I mean I still take physical notes because I'm that guy that wants a notebook and wants a pen and wants to write down things and wants to get things out of their brain onto a piece of paper. But Evernote helps you with the concept that if you need a digital version, and a lot of people do, you're on the go, you can just take a quick note about something that you want to take a note about, and then you can take a picture and attach it in there and do all these different things. Apps which are linked with Microsoft, which with To Do you can link together and they can work in synergy, such as just Notes that is Microsoft's. You can use that also. But I like Evernote because I think it just adds a little more of a UI UX perspective. It's easier to use, it's more fun to use, and it just looks more urban, right? So that's number two. Number three is one that I find it very interesting. For someone like me, it's something useful, and I think some other people also may like it. It's called Forest. So it's like, let's just say you will need to focus and concentrate on something for about 20 minutes. So you go in there, you plant a seed, you put it on a timer for 20 minutes. So you put your phone down, you get to work for 20 minutes, whatever you want to do, you get done. And if you do it, the tree is made, and it's grown. And then you keep planting trees, and you get this whole forest, and you get different trees. It makes productivity a game, so it's fun. So that's something that kind of motivates you to, okay, it's only been 18 minutes. Let me not look at my phone. Let me continue working. And then when the 20-minute mark hits, and then you see that, oh, the tree is grown. Okay, let me pick up phone and you text whoever you want, or you go back on TikTok and whatnot. So that's something that helps you focus for X amount of time. And I've talked about this in the last video. I'll link the last video up here somewhere. I would say check it out and see if there's something from there that you like. Let's go to app number three. So app number three, Freedom. Freedom is an app that helps you block certain apps and websites so you can concentrate on your work. For example, you work on WhatsApp and you have messages coming from WhatsApp or from Messenger or from Slack. So you keep those three apps open, but the rest of the apps you block. And this way, for an X period amount of time, this way, you're not going to be inclined to go to these apps and do something. For example, a lot of people, when they go onto like their phone to check their Slack or their WhatsApp, they'll also end up going on Instagram. They also end up going on like stuff like TikTok or Facebook, and then just you're scrolling there for an hour. You figure out you missed a meeting and you are screwed because now you haven't gotten the stuff done that you need to get done. This is very useful. I've actually haven't used it much, but I think I just recently started getting onto it. I think there's a lot of use cases for this, and I mean, I think one of the biggest apps I'm going to be blocking is probably going to be like YouTube and Facebook and. Oh, sorry, YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, because I have to constantly reply to messages and stuff like that on there, and then I start scrolling, and you know what happens the rest. 1 second, just for everybody, for the channel, you gotta like, come on, you gotta share, you gotta subscribe. You've been watching these videos, you gotta do all this stuff. I'm teaching you how to make that mashallah money. Inshallah, you make that mashallah money, and may it bless you and your family and bring barakah in it. Let's make that mashallah money together. Like, share, subscribe. App number 5 is very important, especially if you're someone like me. If you're someone that has a lot of things happening at the same time, where you're on different projects and you're thinking about different things at the same time, and you're managing tasks not just for one singular thing, but there's different project going on, then this app is something amazing for you. It's called Trello. Now, if you work in the corporate world, you know what Trello is. Trello is similar to Jira, or like something like Upclick or Asana. And these apps are usually at a high cost to have. So for example, it's a project management tool. So what they do is you can go on there, you can give yourself a task and you can put it into different buckets, and each bucket you can assign to different people and blah, 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 blah. If you're someone that's working with a few other people, or you're just working with yourself, honestly, Trello helps a lot, because you're going to be getting things to do from each corner. For example, I have to do things for my project that I'm on. I have to do things for like my YouTube channel. And then I have things for a few businesses that contact me about some things that they need help with, friends and whatnot. And so then I just bucket each specific category of tasks, and then from within them I start assigning myself or other people what to do. For example, for my YouTube, I'll say, this video is completed. Here's the link to this video. I need this to be edited. This is the things that need to be done for it. This is a social media post that needs to be taken out of it. These are the clips that need to be made into shorts and blah blah blah. And I'll put it all onto Trello under one bucket or under one task, and that will be under my YouTube bucket. And this helps me manage many different projects and plans and blah 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 coming at me, and it helps you stay organized. Because if everything is in here, you're gonna have a hard time. You're not gonna be able to sleep properly. You're not gonna be able to organize everything, and I guarantee you're going to be behind on all of the things. Remember, when we talk about your plate is still full? This thing helps you organize your plate into 5 plates and make it look like, okay, you can manage each one as it goes. It's not a big messy plate, but it's 5 organized plates. That's the last one for this video. We will be going over a few more in the next video. I already have a few really good ones for the next video. So if you guys want to watch out for the next video, do subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell notification icon. Check out my other social media stuff and let me know what you guys think. What are you doing to be productive? In the last video, you guys weren't too active. So I'm hoping this video you guys are active, and let me know which apps you're using, because I'll download them and I'll check them out, because honestly, a lot of things are happening and I need to get productive. Hope you guys liked the video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.